Namaskara, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today, I want to discuss you about liquid waste decomposer and its other use. How to prepare the different products. Lot of WhatsApp phone calls I received from my farmers. They are telling they are not able to multiply everything in their house, particularly people living in the urban area and remote village area. So they prepare some micronutrient, they prepare some stone element, they prepare some our leaves extract, but they are bound to take ready-made material from the outside because they have no time or they are not getting all materials, and every time preparation is difficult. So seeing this all the problems, today I decided to air you the making of seaweed product at their home. You have seen the seaweed products, lot of seaweed products are available in the liquid form, in the granule form, in the powder form. So how to prepare the seaweed products along with our infusion with our products and simple alone only waste decomposer with micronutrient that you are doing it and mixing all together. So first thing I want to inform you, what is the seaweed? Seaweed is nothing but our weed, one type of weed which is grown in the sea, in water. So that's why, because it is coming from the sea, that's why named this as a seaweed. Just you see in your field, you are getting lot of weeds. For removing the weeds, you are using the herbicides, chemicals. So at my point of view, it is not good, because that weed is also useful. As seaweed is useful, your weed is also useful, but you are killing with expending lot of money and creating headache, creating problems in your soil, creating problem in your field. So what simple you have to do for your weed, what is growing in your field? Do one thing, first you prepare the waste decomposer solution, liquid waste decomposer solution, 1 bottle you take 100 liter water, put 1 kg jaggery, old any jaggery, any type of jaggery, and put one bottle of the waste decomposer solution. It will ready in 3 days, but you keep it. Some material you keep as a for your mother culture, but some material 50 liter you have to keep for the preparation of other products. So this material should be kept remains up to one month outside or inside, anywhere, just you cover it. Don't tight the cover. So it will be ready in 30 days. Why I am telling you keep it 30 days? Because all the bacteria, waste decomposer bacteria, once it multiply with the jaggery, then it release lot of organic acid, release lot of hormones, enzymes. That will be all available after minimum 15 days. So keeping 30 days is ideal, and then its smell will be also changed. It will slightly more penetrating fermentation smell. And scientific way, if you test it pH litmus paper is available in the market. One strip you can take it. That strips contain different colors. When you are putting in the solution, it will give you color. If it is green color, it means your pH is 7, it is neutral. If it is yellow color, it means slightly acidity has came. It means bacteria is releasing the organic acid. When it is below 6, 5.5, it will give you some reddish color. It means it is acidity. And when it is below 5, 4.5, it will give dark your red color. It means it is highly acidic, and lot of highly acidic means lot of your organic acid is present. So this organic acid is going to work for the preparation of the your next product. So after 30 days, you take the seaweed from the market. You will find seaweed available in different types. One is our in liquid form. That costs from 30 rupees, 40 rupees, somewhere is 50 rupees. Depends upon total suspended solid. TSS means particle, small particle, how much is present in there. Accordingly, they decide the rate. What they do, they take the seaweed, wash it, and putting some chemicals, putting in the heat, and that material is coming out, that they are selling it as a liquid. For big companies, all the companies are making the seaweed, so they are doing some very few companies are doing the cold process, and that is very costly. Because seaweed coming from the China is always adulterated, it is not good, but when you are taking the cost, more costly, it is 250 or 300 rupees kg, so somewhat purity is maintained, but it comes from 150 rupees to 300 rupees. So whatever you are getting, it is enough, because 300 rupees is highly soluble, means no residual will come. So you take it anyone. Very good quality of seaweed is from the New Zealand, from the Australia, from USA, it is coming. So that is good, but that is costly, they will sell in bulk only. So whatever available in the market, you can see the internet, you purchase some seaweed, but ideal is if you are nearby coastal area, just like your Madurai, in your Gujarat, in your Odisha, you will find the nearby, some people are collecting this weed. So as a such raw weed, you can take it without process. If you take it, wash it, dry it, and crush it. Crush it in small fine powders, and then is 5 to 10 kg of this your weed, that will cost you 20 rupees per kg, 15 to 20 rupees kg, that you have to put in our waste decomposer solution, which is 1 month old. So just put it, after 21 days, safe side, keep it 30 days. If you are able to just rotate it, otherwise if you can put some aquarium, pass the air, that is ideal. But after 30 days, it will be ready. You can take it from the bottom. When you are putting the drum, take is always plastic drum, put it inside, and after 30 days, you just take it in the bottles, keep in plastic bottle, and it will remain up to 5 years. This solution you can use in the field with every irrigation. How to use it? Every irrigation, suppose 1000 liter, 3000 liter, you are using a waste decomposer with irrigation, you mix this 2 liters, if it is big plant, to 5 liter in the solution, let it go in the channels, and spray it. How to spray? You take the 100 liter fresh waste decomposer, 15 days, which is prepared within 15 days. Put this 2 liter of your 1 liter or 2 liter of, if you can put more, there is no harm. 2 liter of your this solution, seaweed solution, and 100 liter water, because 1 acre area require 200 liter water, and spray it on the plants. Every plants, any plant, vegetable, fruit type plant, or any your plantation, everywhere you can use it, so you will get the results. That is one preparation, simple preparation. So this is very less cost, you can prepare it. But other preparation, which is highly concentrated and highly, you can say, promising, all in one, that how you prepare it. As I told you earlier, my videos, you can prepare the micronutrient at your home, stone element at your home, and all the leaves extract at your home. Now you have to make everything in this one drum. How to make it? You take 1 month old waste decomposer solution 50 liter. Put inside 3 types of pulses, minimum 2 types of our oil seed, whatever available in your area or whatever is available in your house, 2 kg each, grind it. Fine grind and put it in the waste decomposer solution drum. Then 11 iron nails put inside. Then 2 kg geru, what we are using in the house, red color, that is red color your soil, that you can put 2 kg after making a fine powder. Then 100 gram copper, any copper, whatever available to you. Zinc oxide or any zinc plate that you take 100 gram. Then boric acid, what we play the caroms, that you take 100 to 200 gram, put inside. This all micronutrient, it has gone in your waste decomposer 50 liter, 30 days old solution, and put different types of stones inside. You have a nearby any stone cutter, there you will get the stones powder. Take your marble stone, take granite stone, or whatever stones he is cutting, that powder you can take, at least 5 kg each, and put in the drum. And some stones, take it from the lying near the river, as many stones you can take. On the roadside, all the stones you put, except your bricks, which is already heated. It is natural stones you can take, any stones what is available. So put everything in the drum. Of course, in drum it is plastic drum. Put one tap bottom side so that water after maturity you can take it out. So these 3 things you have put, 2 things you have put already. Now you put the seaweed powder, 3 kg seaweed powder you take from the market and put inside. Then all types of leaves, whatever available in your area, which animals do not eat, every leaf you have to crush it, grind it 1 kg, like neem leaves, grind it 1 kg, put inside. Green your bark, that also you can grind and put inside. Babul leaves, grind and put inside. Bark also grind and put it inside. Then dhatura, take a dhatura, that is also with the flower, with your fruit, with the leaves, grind and put inside. This is all. Then you take a marigold flowers and leaves, that you take more quantity. After grinding, it should be 3 kg, put inside. And other types of your flowers, hibiscus flowers or their leaves, your shringar, any plant, whatever available in your area, all flowers you can take and grind and put it inside. Then moringa plant, that is also good. Leaves, all the leaves you take after grinding, 1 kg, 2 kg put inside. Then turmeric, that also you can take it. And not only this, you can also put ginger, half kg ginger, grind it and put inside. Half kg your this haldi, you put it inside. Everything is came in this solution. And keep it 30 days. Just stir it every day, or pass with the water, pass with the air, with your help of pump, or if you are able to circulate it. After 30 days, in 30 days it will be ready. All the material, nutrition, enzymes, everything will be in the liquid. Then you pour it, keep it in the bottle and keep it. It will remain up to expiry is 3 years to 5 years. 5 years are no problem. So this is one. Then again, whatever material is left, again you put the waste decomposer solution which is 30 days old, again you put 50 liter. Again you take it, keep it 30 days and make a bottle. Then again, third time again, you put the liquid waste decomposer, keep it 30 days and take it out. So what you have prepared first time, it is more strong. Second time is 10% less that. Third time it 20%, 30% less. But these all are useful. So whatever sludge is inside, that you can take it out, mix it nicely, put some, suppose it has 20 kg, because it will remains hardly 10% will left. So whatever kgs are there, 10 kg, 20 kg, just make a double water and put it. And this water you have to pour near all your big trees, mango tree, guava tree, kinu tree, or your any tree you can put nearby, and then you see the results, how results it is performing. It is half liter is enough, 200 ml is enough. Whatever you have material, accordingly you divide and put it. Now the solution what you have prepared, how to use it. So first batch what you have made, that is 1 liter is enough for the 1 acre. So as a spray, only 3 sprays required. Any crop. In middle, 1 spray. Second spray is before flowering. And third is after flower, when fruit setting is there. So 1 liter you can take it, put in 100 liter of waste decomposer solution, what you have prepared. It must be within 15 days. As fresh it is good. If it is 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, it is good. Then put 100 liter water. So it is 1:1. Then you put 1 liter of your enzyme, what you can say, booster you can say, commander you can say, whatever you see, because it is all in one. It will control the disease, it will provide all the micronutrient, it will provide all the enzyme, it will provide everything. So that you have to spray it. Then see the magical results. It is for the 1 liter is for all crops, either vegetable or fruit crops or plantation, everywhere same. You spray it. For your kitchen garden, you take a small quantity, take 100 ml, put 100, rest is water, 1 liter water and 100 ml and spray it. Every third day to second day you spray it. You see the things. And mix with the water also. Every irrigation, you put 1 liter per acre. How to use it? We are passing 1000 liter of waste decomposer solution. Earlier we are using this micronutrient, everything and putting inside. Now you take it only 1 liter. If you are putting more, is no harm. 1 liter you can put it, or whatever the second time you have taken it out, that material you can put inside. 3 liter, 4 liter you can put in 1000 liter of waste decomposer solution. Pass it every time with every irrigation. So it will give you all the nutrition, all the elements will be available, and you are not going to prepare every time. Once you have prepared, keep it. As I told you, it remains up to 5 years. There is no harm. You can keep it inside, you can keep outside. Inside it is ideal. If you are keeping outside, that is also not going to harm. So everything is ready, and whatever other things I have told, you can use as such. But this is the strongest material. It is better than what you are purchasing from the outside. So this, I am devoting this total video to the farmers who is still purchasing from outside. They had no time, and there are some people who are much interested in commercial, and people seeing the packing and other things, they attract. So for them it is good. You can compare now any product with this. Use this along with waste decomposer solution. Why I am telling you, you have to prepare yourself? Because it is contains 100% organic, no chemical you have used inside. When you are purchasing from outside, we don't know what they have used. Next video, I will show you how to make this other product similar to this hormones and enzymes with use of some chemicals, which is available in the market. That will be costly. But this is the cheapest material. I told only one thing you are purchasing, it's seaweed. Seaweed is good because it contains all types of your minerals, because as I told you, all the rivers are falling in your sea. They are leaching all the elements from the soil. That's why our sea is very rich in all the minerals, and your salt content is very high. But even then, all nutrition are inside. So whatever grow in the sea, it is very useful because that contains every time rich in minerals, calcium, magnesium, all types, whatever are present in the world, in the soil, everything is inside. So that is always very useful. And similarly, when you are preparing the micronutrient, taking the different stones, that is also good. That's why I am repetitively I am telling you, use the stones. So as much as stones you are using, leaching it out, you are getting more nutrition, more elements, whatever not available in the chemical form. So I hope you are going to get a very good results. And again, it is a new year change. From this year onward, you will see a new magical change, because our target is make everything 4 to 5 times more yield, size just double to triple size of the fruits. So that we are able to achieve with this practices. And other PROM, what you are using PROM, phosphorus rich organic manure, that you have to make it. That I also will tell you how to make a commercial one. And other products also I will tell you how to make it. So I believe you are going to prepare it, because due to Corona, I am not able to get the place. Otherwise, I was thinking to show you live demonstrations. So I believe you people are going to do it. Once you do, please prepare the videos and share with me, so that I can upload your things. And results is important. All the results you can compare and share it. And please take care of your nearby farmers. Tell the truth things. Don't hide, because I know a lot of people are not telling the facts to my nearby farmers. Certainly some farmers are reluctant to use it because they are hesitating with their crops, because this is all one crop we are getting, 2 crop we are getting, that is our bread and butter. So once you are using it, certainly they will get the results, and they will, when you are getting the result, they are going to see it, and they will ask you to please share it, the things, and share this your material to your nearby. And I hope this is going to be a game changer for the agriculture again. And everything you can prepare at your home. Believe on yourself. Do everything in your house, so that your things will be cheaper, within limit, and you will not get any deceive in the market. Thank you very much.